One thing about me, right? I would feel like I woke up early, I did my things slowly, and then out of the blue, it is 8:30. Njani. I don't know. I don't know, and it always happens to me. I don't know, like, why? Am I that slow to get ready? I don't know why it happens to me all the time. Am I that slow to get ready? Or I don't know. Oh, the time is just ticking so fast because I would wake up early, but out of the blue, gotcha, it is 8:30. Quarter to 9, I have to be in the class, and then I don't know what to do. But today I have an early class, and I'm late. Also, let me stop complaining and go to school. Anyway, I don't think that I share my outfit, but this is my outfit. I know I look beautiful. Anyways, let's just go to school, guys. We'll chat later. Change it, Bobo. Good morning. Good morning, good people. How are you doing? I'm also good, guys. So, yeah, welcome to another day. So, today is the 2nd of February, and I am in my bed, okay? I'm wearing my gym outfit because I want to gym right now. And the reason why I am sitting here, still in my room, still in my bed, it's because of my running shoes. Look at that. Can you please look at Can you please look at this? Like, oh my god. So yesterday I was out, taking a jog, and then out of nowhere, I just realized that my running shoes are, yeah, they have met with an accident. So for some time now, also this one is literally quarter two, okay? It's literally quarter two. It's about to tear apart. Also, this one, my running shoes have met with an big accident, okay? And I'm not happy about it. I've already started my journey and I just wanted to continue, right? Because it was really helping me, because I just scaled myself, and then I'm at 65 kg and I was on 75, you see. So it was literally working for me. But now, because my running shoes have met with an accident, I can't do that anymore. I can't run anymore. So until I buy another shoes, which I don't have money to buy now. So these shoes, I think I bought them. Which grade was I? I think grade 10. Grade 10. It's been literally almost 5 years. These shoes have been surviving. I want to start doing some squats, some stomach exercises, and then also some butt exercises, because I really want to have some, not so. I want to, so I want to start doing that now, because I can't go to jog anymore because I don't have a jogging shoes. But I think I will fix this. I think I will literally take them to someone who, and they are wrong, because now I don't have money to buy other ones. So I think I will take them to someone and then he will help me out just to patch them together, and then I will be back, okay, to my weight loss journey. And yeah, so now I just want to do some butt exercises, stomach exercises, and then I'll be done. Okay, so without any further ado, let's get into it. All in my phone, I got options. And I don't wanna tell you to drop it, but I don't wanna play your fair. Yeah, something that makes me look at you too often. Baby, you can give it something. Baby, I can run all the time. Baby, I'm talking crazy. I need you right in my space that I need it. Baby, I'm late, but I still can check in with you. I know that I need my friend. Oh, Nkulunkulu wam, I am so tired, but I'm happy that I am done for the day. Then I'll try again tomorrow. I'll try again tomorrow. I'm so tired. I feel like throwing myself in the bed and sleep, but I still need to take a bath. So let's go and take a bath, okay? Then I don't know what I'm gonna eat, but yeah, anyway, I think I'm gonna cook some baby cake. So first, let's go and defrost that. Then yeah. All in my phone, I got options. And I don't wanna tell you to drop it, but I don't wanna play your fair. Yeah, something that makes me look at you too often. Baby, you can give it something. Baby, I can run all the time. Baby, I'm talking crazy. I need you right in my space that I need it. Baby, I'm late, but I still can check in with you. I know that I need my friends, but I wouldn't wanna leave. You know I wouldn't wanna bleed. Even my heart, my mind, and my body. My mind, and my body. My body stays. I don't know what it is. I can't tell you what it is. But you got me going crazy. Just you is so amazing. How long can you go, baby? At last to my body so crazy. Baby, I'm talking crazy. I need you right in my space, but I need it, baby. I'm late, but I've been all in my phone. I got options, and I don't wanna tell you to drop it, but I don't wanna play your fair. Yeah, something that makes me look at you too often. Baby, you can give it something. Baby, I can run all the time. Baby, I'm talking crazy. I need you right in my space that I need it. Baby, I'm late, but I still can check in with you. I know that I need my friends, but I wouldn't wanna leave. You know I wouldn't wanna bleed. Even my heart, my mind, and my body. My mind, and my body. I need to go through all this mess just to find my shoes. Finally.